So tease, 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 and that's going to be nice and full. And then we're going to get a rubber band. Once that's teased, we're going to put this around here like this. Just put it on the end there. That would be really big. Okay, so tease a lot, so it's like nice and high.
Doesn't necessarily work when you got hair like that though.
Yes, like Nikita's got.
There's a version of it.
Yeah, there's a version. Then once this is all teased, so I've got this really teased up, then we're going to start rolling. Oh, but actually, sorry, first we're going to bring the smooth bit back up here. Okay, and that's going to join back up, and then we're just going to. What you can do is actually attach that into the rubber band as well, and then we're just going to roll, 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 and that rolls up and rolls up into there. And this is going to be nice and high and buffy, and then we're going to put bobby pins in and secure as many bobby pins as you can into there.
Will it last after doing a few
rolls?
Yeah, it'll last. But make sure you get lots of hairspray in there as you tease.
And the back bit's just hanging down there.
Back bit's hanging down. So once we've done all that, this bit here needs to be plaited or braided. Sometimes on the little ones it's really hard because their hair's really thin.
I don't want to be.
So, and normally we have two, but I'm sure it's okay to do one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just get it and then just plait.
Just the sides?
Just the sides. So the two sides have to be plaited. So I'll take that away. So then we just get in here.
And then the back bit's just straight, is it?
Well, the back bit we can work with if they've got a number of dancers. So sometimes they might be in ballet. So all this will stay the same. So the back bit will be bun, 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 and it'll go into a bun. Sometimes it'll be out like that. So once you plaited that also, just get clear rubber bands and just attach it there. So we've got something to work with the whole time.
So once they're plaited,
so once they're plaited,
so they're plaited, and then what do we do with them? Just
bobby
pin them back.
No, they
just let them hang, and then it'll get fixed.
See, once you plait, it'll come back nicely like this. So.
They'll have it like normal happy feet for this dance if they're only in so show them how to do it properly. Yeah.
Just doing happy feet.
Happy feet, and then you do.
So is this what what's their dance actually called, Dave?
Let them eat cake, I think it's called.
Let them eat cake. Like that.
This one.
Or it might say in that program 1800s maybe it says on that, but in the program it'll be called that. But I think maybe
try and get it.
Honey called it.
Yes, so that plait. Yeah. Okay, they go into a elastic band, and then we're going to move the whole lot. It's going to come up. This bit's all.
That's what we're doing on Wednesday afternoon,
Practicing.
Yes.
Yeah,
but
it's
if
not
they've
hard
got
to do,
a fringe, it's okay. You just tease all of this and then just hairspray the fringe.
Got a hairspray and gel. Lots of hairspray and gel, and that'll hold it for the whole dance. So just make sure that you get this in here and tease. And if they've got that front bit, just leave it out.
I didn't see what happened with the plaits at the back.
So the plait with the back, can you just hold that one there? The plaits, so they just get plaited, right? And then you'll get a clear rubber band. It'll just hang like that.
Yeah.
And then we just gather it all up.
That holds it all.
And that hangs up, that closes it all up, and then we put it into a high ponytail.
Right, so do you want us to do the high ponytail?
Yeah. Yeah. That'll be a high ponytail.
Do you attach that?
Actually, no.
As well?
I want you guys to do
side.
I want you to do side and low.
Okay.
And then make this, if you can, just a bit nice and wavy, so it's like, you know, like like she would have.
Like a Marie Antoinette.
Yeah, but we need to have this hair because like there's other kids that do this dance in whatever that have other dances, like she does.